Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So in today's video, I want to talk about something a little bit different here on my channel. I've been doing commentary, meaning I've been talking about reggae dancehall music, reviews, Caribbean news, also mostly Jamaican news because I try to stay away from the other Caribbean countries. Not saying I have anything against them, love my other Caribbean countries, but I was not born in those Caribbean countries, so I cannot speak for them and their train of thought and how they live and all of that. So I try to stay out of that arena. I mostly do Jamaican stuff because of that reason. But me love all of my Caribbean people. We will be going somewhere soon, and I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Oh, we're going on vacation. But anyways, too much of that. I want to talk about Jamaican men. And I find it very, very hilarious that I've been doing commentary consistently for about a year and a half. Not quite 2 years yet, about a year and a half, because I've stopped months, and I've stopped about four months and stopped doing commentary. Like, I've stopped, like, craziness, okay, because of the trolls. And what I've noticed is that Jamaican men especially always have something to say about my looks, my hair, my makeup, my face. They always have something to say about how I look physically. And the funny part about this is I expect this from Jamaican or Caribbean women more, but it's always the men in my comment section talking BS. If I wear a wig, they have a problem. If I do my makeup, they have a problem. Hold on, let me go get my son. So if I wear a wig, they have a problem. Them tell me how I'm to take it off of my head cause it don't look good. If I wear my natural hair, they have a problem. They tell me how I need to go comb my hair. My hair is nappy. They tell me all sorts of things here. When I wear my makeup, they say how I look like a drag queen and how I look like a man. But when I wear my natural face, no makeup, all natural, they talk about how I need to go put myself together because I don't look good. And I would expect these type of comments from women, not men. And it's very, very scary to see the way Jamaican men behave on social media. Is very, very disgusting and is very, very disturbing. Recently on WhatsApp, our people sent us a picture of a so-called bad man, and this bad man up on FaceTime with Batty peg out a door to talk to our next man, and I'm a bad man, you know, bad man, talk tough, well-known gangster and all these things. And this is what I've been realizing, that a lot of these men, well, not a lot, some of these men that come on here and talk about my looks, talk about how I look, are actually like, they're undercover mama man. Because no real men would go through the lens of talking about my looks when I'm talking about real life issues like people being killed in Jamaica. Children are dying. Those are the things that I'm talking about, and you are worried about how I look. You're worried about my wig. You're worried about my makeup. Like, these are the things you're worried about. It's very, very disturbing. And a lot of things I've noticed is that a lot of the time they put out this particular persona, but behind the scenes they're a total different person. Enough of the time they're gay. Like, they're definitely gay because they're beta males. Like, there's no way alpha male is going to be concerned with how a woman look or how a woman carry themselves when she's talking about something that's important, that is detrimental Nowhere in hell. And the funny part is, my husband don't have an issue with it. My husband can go out with me with no makeup, hair done, hair not done, and he's completely fine and comfortable. So I don't understand why these other males on social media that don't know me from a can of paint have some of the biggest concerns ever. I wear my natural hair 99.99% of the time. When I do choose to switch it up, okay, my husband have zero issues. So men on the internet does not concern me, okay? Y'all don't concern me. The man that I'm sleeping with is who I'm concerned with, not y'all. So when you come on my channel, know this. I don't care about what you think I should do and what I should not talk about and how I should look and how I should not look and how I'm gonna fix up myself and all that. If I see any comment like that on my channel, you will be immediately block and delete. My block and delete fingers have been working extremely hard recently, because as soon as you say something that I do not like, you are blocked and delete, especially something derogatory, and especially something that has to do with my looks or something to have to do with my husband or my family. You are done, okay? You are done. I don't play those type of games on social media. Me don't know what happened with the men in Jamaica, but y'all need to fix up because it don't look good. It do not look good at all. I expect those behavior from females, especially Jamaican females, because we know how we stay. But the men them, y'all are disgusting. Like, literally disgusting. Y'all sick to mock, actually. So, with that being said, I'm going to end this video, and you have been forewarned. I'm done. Finish. I'm not going to explain anything else to nobody. I'm not going to try to be nice to nobody. Y'all are just going to get blocked and delete. And another thing, a lot of times when y'all got talking about me need to fix up myself, I need to put on a wig, I need to do my hair, I need to do my makeup better, my makeup not look good. A lot of the times you guys are talking to me and telling me what to do, and you guys are sleeping with men and don't even realize it, because you guys don't know how a woman looks without makeup, without weave and heap of fake shit, and they sleep with man and don't even realize it. So until then, don't talk to me. Don't talk to me. This interview is up. Like what Spice would say. Okay, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and tell me what your thoughts are with these nowadays man and these men that comment these derogatory things in my comment section. Tell me what your thoughts are, and tell me how you think I should deal with them from this day moving forward. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Deuces. Tell them bye, Kai Kai. Say bye. Tata. My son don't even care anything about this camera. Deuces, guys.